Hi Capricorns, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be a reading for the whole month of December, and this time I've been doing the zodiac readings a little differently. So, how I'm going to be doing this is first I'll be looking at the first half of December, how does it look like for you? And then I'll be looking at the remaining half of December for you. And we'll look at your finances and your relationships separately. So, with these oracle cards, I'll look at the theme for the first half and then the second half. Alright? So, let's see. December for Capricorns. First half of December for Capricorns, how does it look like for you? Capricorn, first half of December, how does it look like for you? Okay, this came out for Taurus also. Serendipity. Interesting. Some kind of a fated meeting. You meeting a particular answer, or expect some expect certain things to happen. Expect certain events falling into place or something happening. Probably the color green is of some significance over here for you guys, and the number 9. I do sense that there are a couple of things here which I pick up. Firstly, I feel that you'll be able to connect the dots, and I think for a lot of you, you will find answers and fated meetings basically. Okay, first half of December, and I'm seeing that you will be happy in the first half of December. Okay, and this happiness is very, very fated for you. A lot of fates is what I'm seeing, destiny. So maybe you might land up meeting someone or something like that. Okay, let's see the remaining part of December. What is the theme like? The remaining 15 days of December, how does it look like for you? Capricorn, remaining 15 days, poised. You're preparing for something new. Some decision making in the horizon for you guys. Okay, firstly, I feel that you're set for something in the remaining part of December. And it's going to be like a shift, a change, is what I'm picking up. And you will not be very, very mentally prepared about it, also, I'm seeing. Somewhere I've also picked that you will be ready for something. And yes, I told you that probably you're seeking certain answers from within or from someone. And these are, after this, basically, this serendipity that I'm seeing, that these answers will come to you. And those answers that you get will lead you to act on something in the remaining part of December. And you are acting on it. You are doing certain things. Okay? I see a whirlpool, like a shift. A massive change of sorts is what I'm picking up. Let's see how does your career look like in the month of December, Capricorn. Your career in the remaining part of December. 4 of Wands. Justice. Wow. Your career and finances look quite stable. There will be a lot of action. There will be a lot of movement. Things will fall into place. Okay? You have to keep a little bit of patience, I feel. Probably if you've been waiting to buy a home, Capricorn, I think you're getting there. Okay? That home is coming for you. You will be able to achieve what you are looking to achieve in the month of December. Like if there have been certain things that you've been working on and you feel like doing certain things, I see that happening for you in the month of December. I also see someone actually extending a helping hand towards you to make your life better, okay, to make your relationships better or to make your career better. Like somebody offering a helping hand to make things better and to bring certain things in alignment in your life. Okay, now let's look at your relationships for the month of December. Your relationships for the month of December, how does it look like? Awareness. You're putting something to an end. Yes. You're moving on from something, Capricorn. Okay, there is a slight amount of awareness about certain things that have to be left behind now in your relationships. Look at this movement, choices, and decisions. There is some sort of a decision that you're taking for sure, and we did pick that up in the second half. You will have that knowledge, and probably you will take action towards it. I think you will either leave something behind and move towards something better. That is the case. Or I feel that you will be able to make the right choice for yourself now. This is what I'm picking up. Now you will be able to decide for yourself. Now you will be able to, you know, do what is meant to be done for yourself in your relationships. And I think you're getting that strength. I feel it is a tough path, but you're still willing to take it because you're ready now and you're sure about something. Okay? Let's see what is the guidance for you. Blessing of starting over. Wipe the slate clean. You're asked to start something all over again. Revise plans, demolish old foundations, and build stronger ones again. What is happening now is happening for your ultimate good. Don't resist change and go with the flow. That is the advice for you, Capricorn. I think there is something shifting which we did pick up in the second half. So, yeah, that is what is coming for you. Okay? Now, I hope this reading helps. That's what I have for you for the month of December. Let me know in the comments if this resonated. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And I will see you soon with more readings. Let me know. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.